updates that we are getting in right now as the multiple anti-terror operations are underway in Shopian district. There are multiple villages now where the search operations is going on. Security forces have targeted residences of suspected terror associates. We've seen those visuals from Tral, but in Shopian also there are multiple villages where the search operation and the crackdown is in full swing, viewers. This is the big breaking news we have right now. Multiple agencies pressed in, including the local police and the paramilitary forces, and they're tracking down these active terrorists and their support infrastructure, dismantling them, cutting off all the connections they have here. Zeenat is joining us live from Anantnag. Zeenat, multiple operations are underway in multiple villages of Shopian.
Yes, Rakshita, now we are seeing Shopian back in action where the multiple search and operations are taking place. And this time they are targeting the house of the OGWs. The search is being extensively carried by Jammu and Kashmir police along with paramilitary forces. The digital evidences, mobile phones and also some recorders have been recovered or seized by the Jammu and Kashmir police. These are the details that we are picking. These multiple agencies are multiple agencies involved include local and paramilitary forces. The aim is to track down activities of the terrorists and their support structure. That is why we see now Shopian in action. Shopian has been a hot spot of terrorism in Jammu and Kashmir post before abrogation of Article 370. Most of the encounters have been reported in Shopian, and the local recruitment at one point in time was the highest from the South Kashmir. Shopian. Now after the Pahalgam attack, the multiple places or the districts where the search and cordon operation was carried by the joint security forces, but now we see the Shopian village in action. Shopian is known as a apple town of Jammu and Kashmir, and this time the police and the paramilitary forces are taking search operations in multiple villages of Shopian. The aim is to track down the terror networks in Jammu and Kashmir. Yes, Rakshita.
Right. In fact, just continue to get us more updates as you are also tracking the operations that are underway right now in Anantnag. Viewers, remember these terrorists are being tracked down, and not just these terrorists but also those behind them, all those people who are helping them out. The enemies within will also be found out. They will be tracked down. They will be held responsible. They will be punished. That's the resolve. That's the commitment of India. And as we speak, viewers, with multiple visuals, we have more updates coming with right now. We have to slip into a very, very short break, but our blanket coverage, viewers, continues as India vows revenge. All the updates on Republic.